All right, so we just learned how to do that JavaScript token in lexical analysis. Now we need to know how to handle that special JavaScript token type when we're parsing. Just to review a bit, this is how we did basic HTML parsing or a basic HTML grammar. We say it's a parsing rule with p underscore. This is the kind of thing we're trying to parse, an element. And then we write down here the rule from the grammar. And where we would normally write an arrow, they ask us to write a colon. So element can be rewritten to word. And then P0 is the final parse tree. And P1 is the child parse tree. And we build the final parse tree out of the child parse tree, growing a bigger tree over time. Well, actually, our handling of JavaScript elements is very similar. We just indicate that an HTML element can consist of a JavaScript token, and we build up our parse tree by noting that it's a JavaScript token, and then including the text. And you see this word here, JavaScript, in all capital letters. Back here, when we were lexing the JavaScript token, we said token type is JavaScript in all capital letters. Those intentionally match. This is the linkage we're making between the lexer and the parser. In fact, they have to match, otherwise it won't work. So let me show you a concrete example. Let's say my HTML input is hello my, and then there's some JavaScript, which says document write 99, and then Luftballon. Let me show you what the abstract syntax tree, or what the parse tree, will look like for this. Now, recall that HTML is a list of elements, and here we have 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first is the word element hello. The next is the word element my. The next is the JavaScript element containing only the important text, not all of this tag stuff. And the last is the word element Luftballon. This is the parse tree, a list of HTML elements. It just so happens that none of these are nested, but they could have been if there were some tags in here. And here, 99 Luftballon is perhaps more commonly known as in English as 99 Red Balloons. It was a protest song in German written around 1983. Here are clearly 99 entire balloons. It must be that the other 95 are just behind this one, exactly covered by it. You believe me, don't you? You totally don't.